To publish your product, you will need to create product options. Options are essentially different versions of the same tour. For example, you might offer a basic city tour where one option could include an optional lunch and the other one not. They allow travelers to pick the experience that best fits their needs. To get your product ready for bookings, your product must have at least one option, detailing specific prices and availability. Now let's set up a mock option for a food tour. Click on Create New Option and follow the prompts to set it up. When you create your first option, the title will be automatically created for you. In this step, you'll simply add your option reference code to keep track of which option the customer has booked. In the second step, you can add additional details about your activity, such as the maximum group size, the language of the guide, if your activity is private or shared, if customers will skip the line to get in an attraction, and whether your activity is wheelchair accessible. Continue from there by inputting information about the time and duration of your activity, whether it lasts for a specific amount of time, or it allows customers to use their ticket anytime within a certain period. Our food tour lasts about 3 hours, so we'll select the first option and then select 3 hours. Then confirm the cutoff time for bookings. The cutoff time is the last available time that customers can book your tour. The closer it is to the start date, the more likely you'll get last-minute bookings. So for example, if you're offering a 6 p.m. tour, can people book it at 5 p.m.? If yes, you'll then select 60 minutes and click on Continue to finalize the step. We've now covered the first part in setting up your product options. Remember, for small differences like languages or skip the line access, simply add an option to an existing tour. For big differences, for example, an experience with a complete different itinerary, it's best to create a new product. Now go ahead and start setting up your product options. For any questions not answered in this video series, remember you can find additional resources at supply.getyourguide.support.